Hi guys, welcome back to my son de fromp. Today I have a microwavable dinner idea, and it's gonna be canned spaghetti and meatballs. Chef Boyardee spaghetti. This is just canned spaghetti. So what you're gonna need is a can of spaghetti. I have creamy French dressing. I have a tub of half and half. And for seasonings, I have a little bit of oregano leaves I need to use up. I have Cajun seasonings. This is black pepper, just pepper, and this is red pepper, chili red pepper flakes, and garlic powder. And these are basically the ingredients that I always use. If you see me using something extra or anything at all, it's gonna be these, because that's what I grew up eating. Like, these are the major spices that I use, and if I'm gonna go the quick route, I always add Cajun seasonings to, this is like a base for me. So that's kind of like what I grew up eating. And so I just wanted to give y'all some of that insight on my personality of food and stuff, just so you know what type of channel this is. If you like it, subscribe. And I hope you try this recipe, cook along, and enjoy it. So we're gonna get started here right away with the spaghetti. And I'm just gonna pour it on into this bowl. And let's see. I'm gonna scoop this out. It has some left in it. So I knew you guys hadn't had a microwavable meal in a long time, so I decided to do that today. And we'll start with the base, which is my Cajun seasoning. And so I'll just open this little side part and kind of eyeball it, because sometimes Cajun seasonings can be spicy or salty. So I can see the herbs in there. Can you see those herbs? They're so pretty. And I'll add my oregano. And, well, I don't want to overpower it, but I like oregano, so I don't want to use the whole thing. So that's good. And my pepper. I like pepper, but in this spaghetti I don't really want a lot, so I'm just gonna do that. And for red pepper flakes, I like to shake them to get all the bits all mixed up. This is the kind of, I want it spicy, so that's good. And I want to put some garlic powder in here. And this is really fine garlic powder. So I like garlic, so I'm just gonna add a little bit, just just for flavor. And then the French dressing, and I'll add that much. That looks good. And of course, this portion of half and half, and I'll mix it, give it a good mix so you guys can watch all those spices get incorporated. And it's not gonna affect the consistency, because the half and half is just a little bit, and then the creamy dressing is just a little bit. So I'm just gonna add flavor, make it taste more like a real meal. So that looks good. good like that. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave. It'll take about 3 minutes. So you can check on it every probably a minute and a half and stir it. And we'll be back. Okay, so here's the spaghetti. It's ready. And I'll just put it here. And I'm gonna put some cheese on it. This is cotija cheese. So I'm just gonna put some cheese on the top of it. And I heard that Skyline hot sauce is like good on spaghetti. And I'm not sure, but I like it on my crackers. I'm gonna put some on my crackers. And we'll see how this goes. And we'll give it a taste. Let's see. That is really good. Let's see if I can get some meatballs too. So it's like perfect balance of flavors. So I hope you guys give this a try. So good. And it takes no time to make. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys again. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.